XV.
AR. Yeah. I got me a new flex and I'm not worried. Got 30 on your chest like Stephen Curry. I'm raw like Undertaker, there to get you buried. So I'ma bring me back in February. Yeah, niggas you lie. I put the fireworks up in the sky. We trap or die. Then fuck that little bitch just for telling a lie. You can't deny. You never seen a nigga fresher than I. I'ma get high. I'm about to take flight, I should tell you goodbye. I'm out of space. She tell me she love me, but I know it's fake. You out of place. I counted 300 up right in her face. I'm in a race. I parked at 300, came back in a race. Ain't got no brakes. These niggas can't stop me, they tell me to wait. I'm on a date. I took the bitch out and then dropped her back off. My license plate say New Arkansas, bitch, I drink too much sauce. I'm out of state. I roll up a blunt and I tell her get lost. No, I can't stay. So what was you thinking, bitch? Fuck what you thought. I'm in blue bottom. I swear to God, I just keep walking on water. She got that water. I fuck her one time and don't call her tomorrow. I go for throttle. I hit the blunt and then pop the gin bottle. This bitch is Nyla. These bitches be lying like I ain't Mufasa. Pumbaa retarded. I'm from Arkansas, so I am an A artist. I got them nauseous. No keys, you gotta push a button to start it. Don't get me started. I'm smoking on gas on my cigar, just farted. I can be guarded. I'm ballin' on niggas, I feel like James Harden. I'm in designer. I keep this shit like I'm in Japan or China. Niggas vaginas. She in red bottoms like the 49er. Bitch, I'm a grinder. I count up the money in North Carolina, just like a Tar Heel. She like my gang cop just like South Carolina. Bitch, I'm from Malvern. My mama named Cookie, so don't think about it. You niggas is childish. My sister named T and she bout it. We is not smiling. My brother named Jerry, he said you not valid. Me, I'm a pirate. I'm first in the bitch, so I look like a salad. She said she never seen a nigga dressed like this before. Bitch, I'm expensive, walking, talking in expensive clothes. I got expensive taste, I only fuck expensive hoes. So from now on, I'm not fucking with you if you broke. She said she never seen a nigga dressed like this before. Bitch, I'm expensive, walking, talking in expensive clothes. I got expensive taste, I only fuck expensive hoes. So from now on, I'm not fucking with you if you broke. AR. Yeah.